1954. Tether is right under $1. Let's see, BNB 617, XRP with $1.34, USDC same thing as Tether, right under $1. Solana 82, $82. Tron 29 cents. Dogecoin 8 cents. It went down that much. Good gracious. And Cardano is 25 cents. Good gracious. Okay. So let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. The market basically sliced itself in half. We're gonna start with the monthly chart and we're gonna work our way back. So monthly, we are definitely in a pullback. Like I said, the market pretty much cut in half. Especially like looking at Bitcoin from 120 back down. It's a little bit over half, but I think it's gonna go down more. And we're gonna talk about why later on. Let's see, as you can see, I think looking at the monthly, the make or break is gonna be right here. Hold on, y'all can see this. Hold on. There we go. My bad. My bad. Now you can see it a little bit better. But basically, what I was saying was, this would be like right at 50 or 49. That's going to be the make or break point. If it goes past here, we might be in trouble. We really might be in trouble. Because, maybe, like I said, we could talk about what's going on just a little bit later. But I mean, it's safe to say that we are definitely in a downtrend according to the monthly. Let's check the weekly out. Same thing. We can even zoom out a little bit here for the weekly. And it holds true. Still in the downtrend on the weekly. 24-hour market. Like nothing. I don't see any uptrends yet. I can see it. If we come, we could potentially get a bounce right here. Like this is like I said, if it don't bounce, it's gonna drop. And the way things looking now, it's probably gonna drop. To be honest with you, I hate to be the bearer of bad news. But that's okay for us because we can start the DCA dollar cost average a bit more up in there. You hear me? Well, let me yeah. But if we go, let's take it back up to, let's go to monthly, right? We'll do a little bit of charting here. If I could, hold on, if I could get this to add right. There we go. Delete that. Okay. So boom. Let's zoom in here. Now, remember, we could, I don't know, man. If it drops past it, this level does not hold, I think we finna hit 20 again. And that's gonna be crazy. So look, right? I'll move this out the way. Understood. Okay. So Bitcoin basically we tried it all the way up here, right? And basically it held. But now, like this out the way. But now, zoom in a bit more. I think it's going it's gonna hold true to this here instead. And as you can see, like it's pretty much respecting the trend line. And see, notice how, but with this trend line, you can see it ground, like it's going down faster than it went up. This is what you call a correction right here, just on the basis of looking at. Mind you, this is the monthly chart. My bad. There we go. Mind you, this is the monthly chart. So, you might want to take that into consideration. Let's go back to, let's see what ETH is talking about. We can chart that a little bit too. I don't know, man. The market's looking kind of so if you day trading, swing trading, keep that in mind. Now with ETH, again, we on the monthly chart. If ETH, ooh, if ETH gets past, let's say 1K. Oh, hold on. What's this? Do basically 1K 900 ish. If that doesn't hold, because that's definitely the support for all of this. Support 1, support 2. I think that might be the real support right here. Would it be crazy if ETH went back to like full 500? I don't think it's gonna be that drastic, but hold on, let's zoom in here. Mind you, ETH basically, oh, it almost, so the resistance is basically 5K, right? So let's do this. This is the resistance, 5K. Boom. So that's the resistance. And what's the support? This is pre-support, but I would say if, I think we might blow through basically 1,500. If that is the case, this is going to be the true support, which is roughly around 1,950 area. And if that happens, we in trouble. We in big trouble. Right? So it's a little crazy. But yeah. Now we can chart on the inside here if you would like. Basically, let's start from here. We are in a downward spiral. We basically pretty much see the same movement as Bitcoin, but I'm thinking once this correction is over, I would, well, if it get past, if it drops past here, which subsequently would cause it to hit this, and if this doesn't hold, it's not a correction. It's ugh, it's bad. You know what I'm saying? So I really don't know because what is it? It's basically cut in half. It's everything's half off for real. Let's see.
I'm keeping my eye on you.
We're gonna look at one more, and then we're gonna go on to the next thing. Y'all got any suggestions? Which y'all wanna break it down? I kind of wanna. No, actually, we're gonna look at SRP, Solana, and then Doge. So everything is just. Let's all right. Let's get off the monthly, right? Everything just look bad. What about weekly, daily? Everything is just bad. No, you know what I'm saying?
Ngishayanga phakathi uthinta imizwa yami wena ungenza busy babe. Ngishayanga phakathi uthinta imizwa yami wena ungenza busy babe. Ngishayanga phakathi uthinta imizwa yami wena ungenza busy babe. Ngishayanga phakathi uthinta imizwa yami.
All right, let's take a look. So let's start off with the monthly. So the high, I think it's safe to say the true resistance is about let's say $4. And really SRP should be way more than what it is. But that's okay. Actually, yeah, about 4. What if the market says 0? It's like, what if, okay. So if really, just by looking at this bar, as this continue to drop, it don't look like this is holding for it, like the few previous candles. Nothing is holding this from dropping to under 50 cents. It's crazy. So if I was a day trade, I would probably looking to short a lot. Now this is not financial advice. You know what I'm saying? Do your own research, trade at your own risk, blah, 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 and all that. But I would probably short this. if you haven't already. But if you do, I would watch this area right here though, because if it doesn't, all right, we don't know if it's gonna hold or if it's gonna fall through. So I would just be careful of getting into this area right here. Weekly, same thing. You know what I mean? Bro, can you imagine? Me, I need to work on dollar cost averaging a lot more. I plan on doing that this year. You know, just piece by piece, build it brick by brick. You hear me? That's all you got to do. The 24. Everything is aligning. Everything is on the downtrend. There's no, like, mm-mm. Everything is just dropping. Dropping. What else we? Solana. Didn't that hit like 120 or something? Or did it even go? Let me see. Oh yeah, I'm tripping. It hit way more than that. It almost hit 3. And look at it now. Low key, I should have hit this when I saw it was at 8. But it kept people were saying that it was gonna go to 0 like Luna did. But as you can see, it did not. Pretty much did the opposite. So this is it. This is beyond cut in half. This is way beyond cut in half. Like this is so wild, bro. The markets are really, really funky right now. Y'all remember that crypto trader who wouldn't sell his Dogecoin? I hope he sold some of it at least. What was the highest Dogecoin? So we could say the resistance for Doge is $1. I think it's safe to say that. But good gracious, Doge is really. Ugh. It really went down. All right. Let's look at the total market cap is 22.2 trillion, which obviously the majority of that is gonna be Bitcoin. To see a crazy bull run, we would have to go back to at least 4. You had to get back to at least 4 trill.